welcome to another Thrillridesphotography vlog. We get asked a lot about the new sweet ValleyArea here at Energylandia, so I thought I'd do a construction update. It's not open yet. We have been told that it will be open later this year. As you can see, the main sort of entrance here, the welcome entrance is all done, lovely painted up. Just some of the details in there that you can see with all the sweeps and just everything's themed, and just the colours are just beautiful. It could actually be one of the nicest sort of themed areas they've got here. In terms of what you can see from the outside looking in, obviously we've not had any sort of access in there yet. It seems like there's loads of little junior sort of varieties. It'll be the perfect sort of infant area at the park. It feels like they're kind of moving away from what they've done at the front of the park and just install these lovely themed areas this side. And hopefully maybe one day they'll go back to the front area and sort of re-profile it all in. But yeah, just from what you can see over the fence, they've got a really nice carousel. They've got a cars ride for the little children. Obviously got your two coasters, your Choco Chip, I can never pronounce it, the Choco Chip Creek Vekoma Mine Train roller coaster. And then there's another junior Vekoma at the back. And then I think once they've got the hotel all tied in, you'll have a brand new entrance down at this side of the park, which will be brilliant because it will really get a better atmosphere down this area. And obviously it's be easier to get to Bissos and Zadra and some of the other areas. So yeah, we'll take you over the fence and have a look. This is actually a huge expansion for this park. When we first sort of see the plans and that, we thought, oh, it'd just be a little area. It's probably even bigger than sort of the Aqualantis area in terms of the rides and just the size of the land. There's plenty they've chucked in there, so I can see why it's taken them a while to construct it and get it open. So this is the second entrance to the Sweet ValleyArea. It'll connect to the other side, to the Aqualantis area, so you can use it as a shortcut through. Some beautiful theming going on with like the cookie walls. Some lovely theming in there. But as you can see, he's still building it, just in the exterior plaza there now. So yeah, it should. I don't see why they can't get this open for later into the season. Whether or not the park will then choose to open it, with it being quite late into this year, they might save it as a new for sort of 2024 season area. But yeah, I can't wait to get in there and sort of explore and see what's going on in there. Yeah, should be good. So the last piece that you can see of the Sweet ValleyArea is this lovely balloon ride. It's just like a children's balloon ride, goes up and down. Yeah, nice little addition. But yeah, that's pretty much all you can see from outside the area. Obviously, as soon as we can get in there and film a vlog from inside the new area, we will do. So thank you for watching another Thrillridesphotography vlog, and we'll catch your ass down the road.